Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh, and today we're gonna cook a tasty autumn stew with pumpkin. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. The ingredients are pumpkin, dried plums, sour pomegranate paste, tomato paste, chicken breast, onion, salt, black pepper, and turmeric. Peel an onion and dice it finely. Plums and leave them aside until completely soft. Put some oil in a pot and heat it. Then add the diced onion and sauté until soft. Meanwhile, we can prepare our pumpkin. First, divide it into halves and peel the halves. Then, cut them into pieces, not too big nor too small. Now add the chicken to the onion and stir gently until the chicken breast is white. After the color of the breast changes, add 1 tablespoon turmeric, some salt, and some black pepper. Sauté and stir until they mix well. Now add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and sauté them together. You can add more tomato paste to give more color to the stew. It's optional. Wow, just look at the color. Now add 2 tablespoons of sour pomegranate paste and stir to mix completely. Then add 2 glasses of cold water to the pot so that it covers the chicken completely. Put the lid and wait for almost an hour till the chicken is well cooked. While the chicken is being cooked, you can cook some rice to serve with the stew. Wash 3 cups of rice, then add water so that there is about ½ inch of water on the rice. Add some oil and put it on fire to cook. Put a pan on fire. Add some oil and put the pumpkin slices in it and sauté them until their color changes a little. When the chicken is cooked, add the plums and pumpkin pieces to it and leave for about ½ an hour to cook together. It smells delicious. Our stew is ready to serve. To serve the rice, you can put some brewed saffron at the bottom of a small bowl and put rice on it. Press the rice so that it sticks, and when you turn it into the plate, it has the shape of the bowl. Yummy! Bon appetit! So this was our delicious recipe for the pumpkin stew. I hope you cook it and enjoy it. Please follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. If you cooked it and liked it, please comment below this video. Till another delicious recipe, goodbye!